Alright everybody, what's up? It's been a minute since I made any kind of videos. It's been too damn cold. But I guess tell the latest updates of what's been going on with the car. I'd like to thank Christopher Powell for these custom retrofit headlights. I gotta say they're probably from what you visually see from the outside of the car, is probably the best parts I got. But those are pretty dope. Thank you to him. Parts of his Prelude will go on. Alright, and I did my do-it-yourself strut bar ends to hold the eBay strut bar. Turned out pretty cool. My paint and primer started cracking right there. It sucks. But it turned out pretty cool. Got to clear the B16 intake manifold, map sensor, and all that. Good clearance under there. Cleaned up my plate, my radiator plate. Added the Cheddar's Auto radiator mount, made it look a lot cleaner. And to hide the metal, those twisted metal under this, I added a more aluminum plate. Brazed the edges on it. I'm probably going to go back and braze some more edges. Not really liking the style how it hangs over. I'm probably going to cut it straight off. Put that under there and braze that together. Square it off. Decided to go ahead and add my overfill coolant thing right there, but that's about it as far as the engine bay. Like I said, it's been pretty cold. I'm in Florida. It's cold for me. But next I'm starting to work on the inside. Got the dash pulled out. I'm gonna clean up a lot of this wiring. I'm gonna take out the heater core box and all that, make more room, see how much room I can get under there, clean up these wires. But dash removal, first it went pretty good, but once I got down to this Bermuda triangle of wires that loops all in here, it was about a nightmare. But I'll try to get a glimpse of what it looks like when it's cleaned up and everything gutted out of there.